Well, hey. So I'm going to be taking apart this ThinClient here. It's a Wyse Rx0L, a dual-core Sempron. Usually comes with, I forget how much flash, but 512 megabytes of RAM. Made in 2012. April 2013. But yeah, so we just take a couple screws out of it, slide the top back, and there you have it. Case is apart. Not much inside. The old 512 megabyte RAM chip. Put that back in there for now. A few ports to take advantage of. We got the 2 serial ATA ports and a 44-pin laptop IDE port and a 4X PCI Express. So 4 USB 2.0s, Gigabit Ethernet, 2 DVIs, couple COM ports, serials, and ES2 ports. Oh yeah, the sound in and out. Of course, it runs off of 19 volts, 3.4 some amps. Yeah, so jam the old 2 gigabyte ballistics. Here I gotta sort through the pile of flash drives. Quite an assortment. Quite a few of the 44-pin laptop IDE style. Some had jumpers, some didn't. No, the rest of them are some serial ATA flash drives, a little newer. It's faster interface. So yeah, I really like the ThinClients. I've collected quite a few over the years. It's one of them things. Copy can't stop. I really enjoy them. We've only had the privilege so far to check out a bunch of the Wyse ones. I haven't ventured off into many other makes besides Tenzig. Another brand I have, but I've been messing with the Wyse ThinClients for I started a crazy project over 10 years ago. Heck, it's probably a dozen years now, if not 15. But yeah, so there's the one, barely any markings. Thought it might have been a 1 gigabyte. There's one with same thing basically, just no jumpers. I'm guessing is maybe master slave jumper. Not sure. Haven't went that far. I'll try one of those two. There we go. Just put it in the slot. There's a little pin that sticks out to line up the hole and line up the 44 pins and just push it down. There's a little click. This footage is really bad from a really crappy action cam I was just playing with that was in reach when I went to hit the power button. oh yeah, I gotta plug the cord in first. Power it on. See what happens. Well, it boots, so RAM's good. Okay. Trying to network boot, which is appropriate. Oh. Loading up off the flash, so that works. He restarted into the BIOS, cranked the keyboard a couple times. Clickety clack. There we go. Time's right. Date's right. That's not right. 128 megabytes isn't going to do me much good in the old flash disk department, so yeah. However, the memory's reading. Search around, see if there's anything good in here. Nothing really. Yeah, I'd like to keep them enabled. No, I don't need a password. And again, there we go, 128 megabyte ATA flash disk. Let's exit out of that. Let's put it back together. Since flash drive was no, took it out. And it's pretty much as easy as lining up the top. There's two things that come down. You gotta click, get started, and then slides in. A little bit of tapping the old plastics to snap together. Not much left, but put the two screws back in it. Oh, and there you have it. A successful RAM upgrade of the Wyse Rx0L Thin Client, 2 gigabytes. Thanks for watching.